Heart disease remains the leading cause of death around the world, and one of the biggest reasons behind it is blocked arteries. These blockages prevent oxygen-rich blood from reaching critical organs. When oxygen can't reach the heart, it results in a heart attack. If it's cut off from the brain, the outcome is a stroke. One of the main culprits in all of this is LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol. When LDL levels rise, they can lead to high blood pressure, chronic inflammation, and other serious health issues. But the good news is, you don't always need medications to fight this. There are powerful, natural foods that can help lower LDL cholesterol, clear your arteries, and boost blood flow, all while supporting your overall health. Before we dive in, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. It really helps us bring you more helpful health tips. Now, let's get started. 1. Oats. Oats are one of the richest sources of soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan. Once inside your digestive tract, this fiber forms a gel-like substance that binds to cholesterol and helps remove it from the body. Regularly eating oats can enhance your insulin sensitivity, slow down digestion and sugar absorption, and improve gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria. This, in turn, supports a stronger immune system. Think of soluble fiber like a magnet. It attracts cholesterol and carries it out of your system. 2. Fatty fish. Fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are well known for their heart protective benefits. They help reduce inflammation, lower triglyceride levels, increase HDL, your good cholesterol, and prevent the buildup of plaque and dangerous clots in your arteries. 3. Nuts. Walnuts, almonds, and pistachios are packed with beneficial fats, fiber, and plant sterols, all of which help reduce how much cholesterol your body absorbs. The combination of healthy fats, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated, makes nuts a smart, daily snack for heart health. 4. Olive oil. A core part of the Mediterranean diet, olive oil is rich in oleic acid, a powerful monounsaturated fat. It's been shown to help lower LDL cholesterol, support the health of your blood vessels, and reduce your overall risk of heart disease. 5. Avocados. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, and important nutrients, avocados help raise HDL cholesterol and lower LDL. They also support smooth digestion and offer a wide range of heart protective benefits. 6. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are full of soluble fiber and offer a great source of plant-based protein. They're a healthier alternative to animal proteins and can significantly reduce LDL cholesterol while supporting your overall metabolism. 7. Whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They help reduce how much cholesterol is absorbed into your bloodstream and provide a much healthier option compared to refined grains. 8. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants like anthocyanins and flavonoids. They help lower LDL, improve blood pressure, and enhance heart function. They're also a great source of fiber, which supports digestion and cholesterol regulation. 9. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in calories but high in nutrients. They're rich in lutein, a compound known to reduce arterial plaque, and nitrates that help your body produce nitric oxide, a molecule that expands blood vessels, improves circulation, and lowers blood pressure. 10. Dark chocolate. When eaten in moderation, dark chocolate, preferably 70% cocoa or more, offers heart-friendly benefits. It's high in flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation, support blood vessel function, and improve overall blood flow. And here's an important reminder: cut back on refined sugars. Added sugars are strongly linked to elevated cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Reducing your sugar intake can dramatically improve your heart health. Lastly, don't forget the lifestyle basics: stay physically active, drink enough water, get good quality sleep, and manage your stress. If you found this helpful, share it with someone you care about, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, make it a great day.